How to use Dubai Frame e-tickets at the entrance. A quick demo. Got an e-ticket to the Dubai Frame and are not sure how to use it? Don't worry, here's a clear, step-by-step guide on how to use your Dubai Frame e-ticket at the entrance. Using your Dubai Frame e-ticket, step by step. Purchase and receive confirmation. You'll receive an instant e-ticket on your email. Make sure your PDF ticket has a QR code or barcode and details like your name, entry date, and time slot. Arrive at the venue. Go to Gate 4 in Zabil Park via Sheikh Rashid Road. That's the official entrance for Dubai Frame. Allow sufficient time if you have a timed slot. Slots begin every 30 minutes, and you can only enter within your chosen time window. At the entrance, present your e-ticket, mobile or print, at the ticket verification area. Staff will scan the QR/barcode or manually verify your ticket. For those with special tickets, e.g. People of Determination, there's a process to issue companion passes at the counter. Security and entry. You'll pass through standard security screening. Bags may be checked. Large strollers or bags can be stored at the Gate 4 counter. After clearance, you'll be directed to the entrance line or elevator area. Enjoy the experience. First, explore the ground floor exhibitions, the Old Dubai Gallery, and multimedia exhibits about the city's transformation. Then take the high-speed elevator to the 48th floor skydeck and reach in just 55 seconds. Walk across the glass-floored bridge. Enjoy 360-degree views of Old Dubai, North, and New Dubai, South. And visit the virtual metropolis, Future Dubai Gallery. Tips for a smooth visit. Arrive approximately 15 to 30 minutes before your slot or any general admission. Choose off-peak hours, 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., or the time just before sunset. Dress modestly and follow the code. Do not bring food, drinks, or large items. Children under 12 must be accompanied by adults, and there's no access for children under 3 years. Check for Ramadan or holiday schedule changes. With your e-ticket ready and this quick video guide, you're all set to step into the past, present, and future of Dubai, seamlessly and stress-free. Visit www.dubaiframetickets.ae for offers and combo deals on Dubai Frame e-tickets.